Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can track stickers or text in CapCut PC using the motion tracking feature. I'm just going to track the face, for instance, here. So I'm just going to cover up her face with the sticker. So go to tracking and select motion tracking. I'm going to select the face area and I'm just going to, you can like deselect these if you'd like to, but I'm just going to deselect that actually. I'm just going to let it track. Oh, it does like move out of the frame a little bit. It's not super accurate though, just saying, like especially when the person's moving a lot. Maybe make the sticker a little bit bigger. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can use motion tracking. You can also do it with the text as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!